Yesterday evening, the 400-meter dia pipe burst open because we were told that the pressure of the mud was too much on the pipe. Work has started on a fast pace here. The reasons we really do not know. The actual plan should have been shifting of the water pipeline first and then repair of the road or expansion of the road to be taken. This haphazard work and unplanned work, for reasons best known to the National Highway Authority of India, is certainly not acceptable. Because when these pipelines get damaged, the people in the surrounding areas suffer. A week back, this pipeline was damaged at another point. And people of Sandicus did not have water for the past for 3 days. 3 days, no water. Today, you can see that the pipeline was damaged because of too much soil pressure on the pipe. Likewise, we feel that this entire pipeline, which is supplying water to Bambolim, is in danger, and it can break open at any time. I really do not understand why such haphazard work when the contractor has already got the budget sanction to shift the water pipeline first and then start this. Development has to take place, no doubt, but proper and sincere development has to take place. Tomorrow, let us assume that this flyover is already constructed and the pipeline is down below and it bursts. What are they going to do? Break the flyover?